This episode of Quick Tips, we are going to talk about hauling on grades. Driving a trailer is a skill with many dimensions. One of these is hauling your trailer over steep grades. It may seem simple at first, but knowing a few tips and tricks can help you keep you safe when you're faced with those extra steep up and downhill stretches of road. We are going to split this guide up between advice for uphill and downhill grades. Towing your trailer on a downhill grade. Make sure you shift into a lower gear before hauling downhill. 2. Back off the gas pedal to moderate your speed. 3. Do not ride the brake the entire time. This causes overheating and burnout. Your brakes have a great deal of extra weight to stop. 4. To slow yourself, slow down to below your intended speed, then release the brake to get up to your original intended speed. 5. Repeat the steps as necessary. Hauling your trailer on an uphill grade. When you're hauling uphill, you risk jerks and stalls due to your engine lunging. You can help keep this under control by shifting to a lower gear. This is better for your gas mileage and engine temperature too. If there's a lane for slower traffic, you should merge into it. Use your vehicle's flashers if you must. Drive below 45 miles an hour. Of course, check your local laws regarding flashers while towing and follow those. Monitor your gauges for engine temperature. If you are dealing with rising temperatures, turn off the AC to let the temperature stabilize. You may need to pull over and let the engine cool down if it overheats. To recap, always use your common sense. Towing on grades can be challenging, but sometimes it can't be avoided. Smart haulers always use the best, safest route for their trailer, even if it's necessary or the fastest one. Maintain situational awareness at all times. Stay safe while hauling, and we'll see you in the next episode.